Foresight Products developed the state-of-the-art Manta Ray utility anchor system, which provides simultaneous installation and testing of the anchor's holding capacity to meet your requirements. No more guesswork. Manta Rays are driven into the ground, not augured or torqued, nor is a hole dug. There is no disturbance or displacement of soil. The anchors are driven at the desired guy line angle with conventional hydraulic and pneumatic equipment that is readily available worldwide, and all of the equipment can fit in a pickup truck. Once driven to the proper depth, the drive steel is extracted and the anchor rod is then pulled upon to rotate the anchor into undisturbed soil like a toggle bolt in dirt, causing a cone effect to take place. This is called anchor locking the anchor. When the anchor is pulled upon to reach the holding capacity required, it is measured by a gauge on the anchor locker. Each anchor is immediately proof-loaded to the exact capacity required. Portability and accessibility are the hallmarks of the Manta Ray approach. And here's how it works. Thread the appropriate anchor rod into the shackle and tighten. Connect the drive steel shank and radius drive steel tip together with a coupler. Insert the radius drive steel tip into the anchor and connect the drive steel to the jackhammer. Drive the anchor at the angle of the guy line until it has penetrated the ground to the depth of the first drive steel coupler. Remove the jackhammer from the shank while being careful not to pull out the drive steel. And attach another drive steel extension and coupler between the original tip and shank. Repeat the drive steel addition process and continue driving until the anchor rod is level with the ground. Attach the adapter setting bar to the anchor rod and continue driving the anchor to countersink the anchor rod 8 to 12 inches below ground level. Remove the drive steel assembly from the anchor. The next step is to anchor lock the anchor. Place the base plate over the adapter setting bar. Then, place the anchor locking hydraulic cylinder over the adapter setting bar so that it rests on top of the base plate. The tapered jaws are placed around the adapter setting bar on top of the anchor locker cylinder. The operator engages the valve handle, extending the cylinder upward, rotating the anchor underground into undisturbed soil. By watching the gauge, the installer can see the number of pounds of loading capacity placed on the anchor. No more guesswork. Installation and testing of Manta Ray is simultaneous. Remove the anchor locker, attach a thimble eye, and you're ready to place a down guy to an anchor that has been proof-loaded to the capacity required. In weaker soils, putting extended anchor rods and drive steel extensions together to drive deeper will usually obtain the required holding capacity. The Manta Ray anchor is designed to be compatible with standard screw anchor rods, and the anchor can be installed in minutes in almost any terrain. The bottom line is, the Manta Ray system is cost-effective as compared to other anchoring systems because of speed of installation, labor savings, and low front-end investment for installation equipment. All you need to install Manta Ray anchors is a handheld jackhammer with a portable hydraulic power source. You can also use a mounted breaker on a skid steer or backhoe. Foresight Products and its worldwide network of factory-trained distributors wants to demonstrate Manta Ray to you and prove the superiority of the Manta Ray utility anchor system.